Hello, my darlings. How are you? Welcome back to Sister to Sister. Do we love the outfit? I just came from an executive meeting. Yeah, two actually, back to back. And I said, you know what? Let us talk about rest. Let us talk about rest. I'll tell you a story. Sometime last year, Juvia's Place came to me and said, Fumi, let's collab again. I was so shocked. I was so stunned because we were in the middle of the pandemic. It was COVID. And as we started to put things together, we quickly realized that I was unable to fly. So I had to do all of the creatives here in England. Ula, I cannot begin to think how I would have done this collab without him. We pulled it through. But in so doing, I worked every single day for 3 weeks. When I finished with the campaign and with the launch, which sold out in less than 2 weeks, 10 days to be exact, I was floored. And I remember I said to myself, wow, Fumi, you really can film every day. If you want to, you can film every day. It's about the work. You've got to put in the work. And 2 months ago, I started working every single day. What I do is that I have a filming day where I'll do perhaps a favorites, I'll do a sister to sister, I'll do a makeup tutorial, and I'll do a skincare. So you do the skincare. From the skincare, I'll do the makeup tutorial. From the makeup tutorial, I'll do a favorites or a sister to sister, and then perhaps something like fashion. And there you have 5 episodes where I can interchange the blusher, the lipstick, the lid, but basically, I'm ready to go. And that is what I've been doing for the past 2 months. I cannot believe in 2 months I have filmed 40 episodes and counting. Last week, I was absolutely wiped out. And I told Ula, I need to sleep. And I napped the entire weekend because I was drained. I'm working out. I'm filming every day. I have meetings upon meetings. Of course, I'm a mom. I'm a wife. And I was really wiped out. And the power of resting is so important because I always tell you guys, keep moving, keep going, keep moving, keep going. And you should never stop. You should always keep going. You should always keep your focus. You should always have your focus razor sharp. The journey is long and it is not a race. It is not a race. So some people can catch up, but you have your focus. And if you are wiped out and you need to catch a breath, take a week off. You need to regroup, take a month off. You know your plan. And that is what is important. You know where you're going, you know what you're doing, but you should never exhaust and burn yourself out. And if you find yourself there, take time off. Take time off and rest. Nothing is going anywhere. What is yours cannot be taken away from you. But you need to be razor sharp. You need to be articulate. You need to be present for your meetings. You need to be present for all that you are putting together in building whatever you want and desire for yourself. You have to plan. You have to do your research. You're going to make mistakes. You need to make the mistakes in order for you to know what works, what doesn't work. And it can be all overwhelming. And so it's important for you to rest. It's important for you to take some time out and say to yourself, let me kick back. Let me switch off from social media. Let me switch off from YouTube, from Instagram. Your followers, your fans will always there to support you because they know that you're taking 5 minutes as a rest period. As a YouTuber, we don't have any days off. We don't have any time off unless we take that time for ourselves. When I was pregnant with Adrian, I filmed ahead of time so that you had some content until I could come back within a month or so. Christmas, we film during Christmas seasons because you want lookbooks, you want fashion, you want style, you want makeup. The same thing when you're on vacation. Show us what is out there. And we are happy to do it because we know the assignment that we have taken upon us. Having said that, you're your own CEO to your life. When I tell you they're calling me, it's another meeting. I'm thinking, should I take it? Should I not take it? No, I will not take it. I will not take this meeting. We will reschedule. Yeah, we'll reschedule. It's important for you to spread it all out and give yourself space. And I am learning that because the more I'm doing, the more I realize how important it is for me to rest. Don't worry about dropping the ball. You're not dropping anything. In order for you to stay consistent, you need to take a break. You need to take a break and recharge. You need to go back to the drawing board and make sure that everything is aligned. When I edit, for example, I'll cut the whole thing up, yeah? Because what I do is that I chop it all up, I say, and I begin to put my bones together. Once I've gotten the base, I go back to the beginning to make sure that it's smooth and aligned. Then I go in and put in the pictures, the voice, the music, whatever have you, and then it's completed. But I always go back to make sure that what I've done, I haven't missed anything in audio, in imagery, in edit. I always go back. So even as you're going forward, you have to stop and say, you know what, I'm tired. I want to catch my break. I want to be with Adrian. I want to be with Ula. That is why I try so hard not to work on the weekends. Of course, the more and more you do, there are things that fall off the table and they do spill into the weekend. But you just need to recharge and you need to switch off sometimes. They'll reschedule. So yeah, take control of yourself and have the courage to say no. Have the courage to say, no, I can't do this right now. Have the courage and the pleasantries to say, can we reschedule? I have something else that I can't push aside. Always think of you first and foremost because you are the driver of the bus. You are driving all of this and you have to drive safe to keep everybody safe on the bus. You have to drive safe to keep your marriage safe, keep your children safe, your relationships all on board. And you have to designate time to each and every one because they all add up to what makes you. I am not just a YouTuber. I am not just a model. I'm not just an actress. I'm a wife. I am a mother first. And I want to take time out with him and hear him say his first words. And when he hugs me and kisses me and shows me something and teaches me something. And when Ula wants to show me something and this happened at work and this and that. I want to be present. I want to be there. It is a huge part of me. I also want to deliver for you guys and I don't want to disappoint. But I've also understood from the comments that you leave below that you are very loving, you are very considerate, you're very caring, and you're so patient. There were some of you who said, Fumi, you don't have to upload every day. It's okay, it's okay. And then there's some of you like, yes, I can't get enough of you. I need you, I need you, I need you. But it's okay. If I don't see you, it's okay. But it's my job and I have to deliver. I respect what I do. I love what I do. But I also love me. You can take all the medicine and all the herbs, but it comes from within. So take that 8 hours if you can and sleep. I sleep 5 hours. I'm a mom. It's different. I'll never ever have the 8 hours again. I don't know. I don't think so. But take the time and sleep and rest and take time out, switch off, go to the park, watch a movie, go and see a friend, hang out with your family members, do something fun for you. It is part of the journey, so don't feel guilty about it. Spoil yourself. Take time out. Self-care is the ultimate care. And I have realized that very quickly within the 2 months. Never ever have I slept in the afternoon. But never ever have I been on the go like I have been in the last 2 months. It's just gone really from 0 to 1,000. And pray God Almighty for my mouth to God's ears. You guys have been saying it also. We hit 1 million followers. But with that following comes a huge responsibility. And I'm already beginning to see it. And so I needed to rest. I said, Ula, you know what? I can't do it. Take care of Paduski. I'll holler at all of y'all later. I need to go upstairs. And I went upstairs. I closed the curtains. I put my phone face down. I put it on silent. And I slept for 2.5 hours. I came downstairs. I had pasta with salad. I had my juice smoothies. I'll also show you what I eat in a day. and I felt rejuvenated. 100% rejuvenated. Like I had plugged myself into the wall and I felt good. I did it again the following day. I just took off. I had a great nap. I ate my carbs because I watch what I eat during the week and I treat myself over the weekends. Sometimes I don't, I just go. And because, you know, I'm being strict, I'm not eating as much. But I said, no, and I'm fitting into my clothes, which I love. You know, this suit is from Zara. I bought this suit 10 years ago. It's got pants to match. It's very fabulous. And I just took time out. And it was the best thing. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Take time out. It's okay for you to take time out. Be it a week, be it a month. You're going to come back. You're going to come back. And when you come back bigger, louder, bolder, and everybody will be here to cheer you on, as I truly believe that you would be for me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just saying that I take mini breaks here and there, and I thoroughly enjoy it. And with everything that I have told you about keep going, part of keep going is taking time out. Okay? All of my love, my darlings, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.